Today's video, we are finishing up part 2 of doing my hair with me. On part 1, if you have not watched it already, it's where I did the wash day routine using Taraji P. Henson's hairline. I will link that below so you can go watch part 1 and then proceed to straighten my 4C hair into this. And by no means am I a professional. I'm just a girly that likes to save some coin and hopefully help my girls out that want to save some coin and do their own hair at home too. Because me, I'm kind of paranoid about letting other people be in my hair and touching all that good stuff. So I like to do it at home, and you may be like me and want to do it at home too. So if that is you, keep watching this video and you can learn how to blow dry and straighten your hair right at home. Did not want to do this, but here we are. Let's see. It actually air dried a little bit underneath here. I wonder if I should, hold on. I'm going to move my tripod up just a smidgen. Here we go. That way, it's giving more just hair. Are we ready? Are we ready? Okay. Hold on. Shake it out a little bit. Oh, it smells so good. It smells really good, y'all. It smells really good. It's air dried a little bit. Now we are going to start the process of me doing something to this hair. And I'm going to take a couple of scrunchies, section off my hair in 4 different sections. My son is my biggest hater. I actually scratched that. I'm not voiceover or nothing. If y'all don't know that I got kids and that it sounds like a zoo when I'm trying to do anything, specifically when I'm trying to record, then I'm not, you were never my target. You were never my target audience in the first place. Because I'm gonna be real with you, I'm not gonna fake nothing. I'm not gonna edit nothing out. This me. So I got 3 hair scrunchies. I'm gonna part this off, random parts. Some oil that I have. I think it's like rose oil that that I bought to support my friend's business. I don't really know if she does a business anymore, but I bought it to support, and it was supposed to be for my face, but I didn't like how it was working on my face, so I was like, you know what, I can use it for my hair, and I like it for my hair, so we're gonna do some of that. Let's see, I'm gonna use some of this too, by Ordinary. Can you see that?
Yes, honey.
For so long, so stuck in my own way, so I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
It's on tablet now.
Yeah, literally.
No, not picking you up. Okay, I'll pick you up. No, okay. You say hi? You wave camera, you say hi? Yeah. Okay. Oh, did you want some boob? Okay, well. Brief intermission. I'm gonna go feed the baby and we'll be right back.
It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Just let tomorrow wait. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far. Now listen, daughter. Pay attention, pay attention, these lies they told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you. Keep you hostage, king will heal you. Keep walking, he will give you everything. Come and take your Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go.
Doing your hair as a black girl is like working out. My arms, like, y'all see it. Hold on, let me back up so you can get the... Yeah. Alright, back to me doing my hair. We're getting to the nitty gritty.
Down this road, can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going. Your love is intimate.
So let's get into straightening it. I should have had the straightener plugged up when I was finishing the rest of the blow drying. That's okay. That's a lesson for next time.
So deep down in my soul, in every moment, surrounded all alone, when no creation groans, I will sing of ourselves grown inwardly, as eagerly we await to be adopted as God's children, redeemed. And by this hope we have been saved. But who can praise God from the grave? So we will rise up on that day,
I didn't know that when I was calling. Okay, I feel like y'all get the gist, so I'm gonna stop here because I'm really tired of recording.
Cause he made me new and he paid me too. Things I used to do that I shouldn't do. All of them he took. Now I lift my eyes to the sky like it's 4th of July. So I'm good, even live my life for the other night.
Yeah, this is what it looks like after one round, and to be honest, I'm trying to see, I might quickly press it again and then just show y'all a finished product and then go from there. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna press it again real quick. My straightener is like 10 plus years old, and I'm not a professional stylist. I can't even tell y'all, I've been doing my own hair for about the last 11 years. I would have my mom and my sister braid it, like cornrows or something every now and again. But as far as like washing, styling, trimming, I've been doing that by myself. And I am by no means a professional. So don't be like, oh girl, I know I need my ends clipped. Trust and believe, I know it. I just trim them little by little when I can. Length is lengthing. She's very healthy. She's healthy. Yeah, so I'm gonna press it out again. So this is the final. I'm about to wrap it, but this is what it looks like after my second press. Not styled because I'm not going out to eat anymore, but yeah.
We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried. Lord, take whatever you desire.
And that wraps up how I blow dry, straighten my hair, and get it to this lusciousness. Hold on, let's give it another. Boop. Taylor, cue that in slow-mo.
Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by.
I hope that looked good in slow-mo. But yes, that is how I blow dry, straighten my hair all at home, and give it a little bit of extra little something when you want to get away from your regular everyday curls and straighten it at home. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tell me if you guys liked it. Tell me what more hairstyles you'd like to see at home. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss anything. Turn on your notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. But don't forget, I love you, but God and Jesus love you even more. Bye, guys.
Yeah. Lord, here's my life.